Let me start with a confession. I didn't expect much. I mean, it's just AI, right? It doesn't know my impulse spending. It doesn't feel the panic when rent is due or when your bank app says insufficient funds. But I was wrong, because after 7 days of letting ChatGPT manage my money, something changed. Not just my bank balance, my mindset. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what happened when I gave full financial control to AI for a week. The wins, the weird moments, and whether it's actually a smart move for anyone trying to get their money right in 2025. Let's dive in. 1. I asked ChatGPT to fix my finances. I started with a simple prompt. Act as my financial advisor. Help me take control of my budget, savings, and income streams. Within seconds, ChatGPT asked me for my income, expenses, debts, goals, and habits. It felt like a judgment-free zone. No shame, no guilt, just straight strategy. Once I plugged in my info, it gave me a 3-part plan. Simplify and categorize my spending. Automate essential savings. Identify one passive income project to explore. Clear, simple, no fluff. 2. The brutal budget breakdown. This is where things got real. ChatGPT told me exactly what I didn't want to hear but needed to. You're spending too much on convenience. Your current lifestyle is delaying your financial goals by 3 to 5 years. Ouch, it helped me break down my spending into needs, 55%, wants, 30%, savings, 15%, and then suggested a revised split. Needs, 50%, wants, 20%, savings, investing, 30%. It wasn't about deprivation, it was about alignment. 3. No more emotional spending. I admitted to ChatGPT that I often spend takeout gadgets, treating myself a little too often. Its response? Build a buffer zone. So it created a guilt-free $25 fun fund for the week and challenged me to track every dollar of it. Shockingly, that small limit made me more mindful of my choices. Every swipe of my card now had a little ChatGPT voice asking, "Is this aligned with your goals?" My AI-powered savings plan. I told ChatGPT I wanted to save $5,000 for an emergency fund. It broke it down by timeline and recommended an auto-transfer system of $42 a week for 1 year doable, not extreme. It also suggested using a high-yield savings account and explained how compounding would add passive growth. Even gave me a comparison chart of banks, no affiliate links, just info. 5. The spending audit I didn't know I needed. Here's where things got spooky smart. I uploaded 2 months of spending into a Google Sheet and had ChatGPT categorize and visualize it. Turns out I spent more on snacks and subscriptions than on actual groceries. ChatGPT flagged it, offered insight, and even suggested a weekly reset routine to keep my spending in check. It was like having a personal finance coach without the judgment or fees. 6. The side hustle strategy. I asked ChatGPT to recommend a passive income hustle based on my skills and schedule. It analyzed my time, 10 HRs week, interests, writing plus tech, and suggested affiliate marketing via content creation. Selling ChatGPT-generated templates on Etsy. Offering budget tracking setups on Fiverr. I chose the Etsy idea, created 3 digital planners in Canva, and listed them all before lunch. By the end of the week, I made my first $11. Passive? Not yet. But promising? Absolutely. 7. Mindset rewired. Here's the part I didn't expect. After 7 days, I felt more in control, not because I made thousands, but because I had clarity. ChatGPT didn't make my problems vanish. It just removed the overwhelm and gave me step-by-step wins. No gurus, no one-size-fits-all formulas, just personalized strategy free. I ended the week with $65 saved, $11 earned passively, 0 impulse buys, and a fully automated budget I actually understand. Final verdict, should you let AI run your finances? Honestly, if you're lost, overwhelmed, or just sick of your own excuses, try it. AI won't replace your effort, but it can remove the mental clutter that keeps you stuck. And the best part? It's available 24/7, no appointments, no pressure, no shame. Try this. Ask ChatGPT, help me fix my finances in 7 days with no budgeting apps. Then follow the steps, just for a week. You might be surprised at how much power you already have. You just needed a plan.